This video will be walking through how to properly assemble a Rubbermaid Commercial Products motorized housekeeping cart. This housekeeping cart is designed to reduce the effort required to move heavy loads up to 350 pounds and assists with initial push force, helping move heavy loads easier. This video will walk you through how to retrofit your housekeeping cart into a motorized cart, and will break it down into key steps. You'll need the following items to retrofit your housekeeping cart. Use the included instruction sheet alongside the video to best aid in part identification. In order to properly retrofit the housekeeping cart, you'll need the following tools. Step 1. Flip the housekeeping cart on its side and remove the bumper. Once the bumper is removed, place the battery compartment C underneath the base platform on the same end as the swivel casters. Step 2. Use the holes located on the battery compartment brackets as a guide to drill 6 holes into the base platform using a power drill and a 3/8" drill bit. Step 3. Secure the battery compartment to the base platform with 6 L screws and 6 I nuts using a wrench. Step 4. Remove the fixed casters and replace them with the power wheels, reusing the existing hardware. H is the left power wheel and G is the right power wheel. Step 5. Flip the cart right side up. Step 6. Insert throttle body D into the handle notch on the battery side of the cart. Secure the left side of the throttle body with screw Q using a screwdriver. Secure the right side of the throttle and adapter E with screw K using a screwdriver. Step 7. Drill 5 holes underneath the handle frame towards the back of the cart using a power drill and a 3/16" drill bit. Secure the cables to the cart handle. Use 6S zip ties, making sure to leave the bag opening clear. Route the cables down the back of the cart to the battery box. To secure the cables down the back of the cart, use 5 P cable holders and 5 O screws. Step 8. Flip the cart on its side and remove the glass rack from the base of the platform. Step 9. Remove the connections from the battery compartment. Step 10. Connect the right and left wheel cables to the matching connector located in the battery compartment. Each will be labeled with an L or an R. Step 11. Once all the cables are connected, store the connectors into the battery compartment. Then place wire cover N over the battery compartment to secure the wires in place using 3 J screws and a T20 screwdriver. Step 12. Organize and lay all of the wiring against the base of the platform. To secure the cables to the base of the platform, use 8 P cable holders and 8 O screws, making sure the cables do not interfere with the caster's rotation. Step 13. Reattach the glass rack and bumpers to the platform, and then flip the housekeeping cart over. Insert a fully charged battery into the active battery compartment. Insert the key into the key slot. You're now ready to use your motorized housekeeping cart. Thank you for choosing Rubbermaid Commercial Products.